it's the Fine Natural here, and I am back with another video. So welcome back to my channel if you're a returning subscriber, and welcome if you are new. Feel free to hit that subscribe button here and join the family. Today's video is going to be a Loc Style video. I posted on my TikTok like last week or so about me wanting a new hairstyle, and I was trying to take some suggestions. By the way, if you're not following me on TikTok and other social media platforms, be sure that you do. I will leave all the information below. But I was actually just trying to figure out a hairstyle. I didn't get many suggestions that I actually wanted to go with, but I was seeing a style that I absolutely fell in love with. It was when people were having like cornrows in the front and then the loose braids in the back. So I kind of want to give my play on that with my locks today. But y'all know your girl cannot braid to save her life, so instead of braids, we are going to be doing twists. So if that's something that you'll be interested in, stay tuned. Okay guys, for this style, I'm going to just be using some water and my rubber bands. And I'm also going to have my clips and my ponytail ties to clip everything out the way and hold everything steady. But as far as products goes, I'm only going to be using my water because I don't want to add any extra product to my hair. What I'm going to do is start off by sectioning my hair. Okay, so what I did was I just parted equally above my ear front half. So I'm just going to work on the back of my head first, and I'm going to do my rope twist in the back, or my 2-strand twist. Now I do have a video on how I did 2-strand twist. I will link that down below for you guys if you want to see how that style turned out. Go ahead and check out that video. But I'm going to go ahead and go through that same process and get the back of my head 2-strand twisted, and then I will pop back in with you guys when I'm finished with that. Alright guys, so I'm finished with the back of my hair, and I'm going to show you guys what that looks like. Now these two little pieces of my hair are like my little baby locks on the side, except for this one's getting really long. But I'm going to leave those out. I'm not going to put them in there because I don't want to cause any tension on them. So I just went ahead and retied those really quick so that way it won't look too messy just being out. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take out the front. Now I haven't thought about what I was going to do about my baby locks. So I was thinking like maybe I could leave out 2 parts in the front and do maybe 2 twists in the front and leave those down, and then have the back or the rest just 2-strand twisted and turn those into twists as well. So far. Now for the loose hair, so I want to 2-strand twist these back because I told y'all before, your girl cannot braid. Pretty much still part of the struggle braid gang. Shout out to Taste Pink. So I'm gonna try to part out the section of my hair because I don't want to have that many twists. I'm probably gonna have about like 6 total. So I'm gonna part out my hair and clip the rest of the way. I like how that looks, but I might end up like playing with these pieces when I style it, like pin it up, pin it down. Here goes one of my famous baby locks, you guys. For those of you who don't know, I lost the perimeter of my hairline prior to starting my locks due to postpartum shedding. And so throughout this almost 2-year journey of me being locked, my hair has started to grow back around those areas. So I decided to turn those into locks, and they are significantly shorter than the rest of the locks on my head, and they are very unruly and they like to stick up. So those are my baby locks. Okay guys, so this is how we're looking right now. You know, I still have a baby lock that wants to stick up. So I came up with this cool idea about putting Bantu knots at the end of these to kind of make the style stick out a little more. So I want to see how that goes. I'm loving this, you guys. Okay, so the Bantu knots definitely spiced this look up for me. I absolutely love it. Let me show you guys. My little pieces out on the side. I am actually in love with this look, you guys. How do you guys feel about this look? Now, you know your girl is going to dress it up with some jewels and some, you know, some extraness. I'm definitely going to do that. But for right now, I'm absolutely loving how it turned out. What do you guys think of this style? Would this be a style that you guys would think about trying? Let me know down in the comment section below. And if you want to see how I style this hair, how I zhuzh it up, and the jewels and accessories that I add to it, be sure to follow my Instagram. I will also leave that link down below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you aren't already subscribed. And I will catch you guys in my next video. Peace.